Welcome to this detailed guide on how to add an image compare feature to your WordPress site. In this tutorial, you will learn how to edit your site and incorporate a visual comparison tool that allows visitors to compare images side by side. We begin by directing you to your WordPress homepage. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official WordPress website, where you will find all the tools necessary for managing and enhancing your site. Once you have reached WordPress, look towards the top right corner of the web page. Here you will find the login option. Simply click on the login button to proceed. This action takes you to the account sign-in process, where you can choose the method that best suits you. For this demonstration, the process utilizes your existing Google account, a convenient option if you regularly use Google services. After clicking the login option, you will see an option to continue with Google. Clicking this option allows you to bypass the need to remember another set of credentials, streamlining the process. Next, you will be prompted to choose your Google account. A list of available accounts that you have already used on this device will be displayed. Select the account that you wish to use for your WordPress login. Once your account is verified and you gain access to WordPress, navigate to the Quick Links section. In this section, there is an option labeled Edit Site. This is where you can make changes to your website, layout, design, and content. Clicking on Edit Site will prepare the editing interface for you. After entering the editing mode, locate your website within the interface. Click on your website to begin the process of customizing and updating its design. Within the editing environment, direct your attention to the top left corner, where you will find a plus icon. This icon represents the addition of new elements to your website. Clicking this will reveal a search bar designed to help you quickly locate specific features or elements. In the search bar, type the words image compare. This search will filter through the available components until you see the image compare element appear on your screen. Once the image compare element is visible, click on it to add it to your website. The element should now be positioned on your page, ready for further customization. At this stage, it is time to add the images that you want to compare side by side. You will have the option to either click on Upload or Select Image, depending on whether your desired images are stored in your computer or have already been uploaded to your WordPress media library. Take your time selecting appropriate images to ensure they work well visually when compared to each other using the tool. When you are satisfied with the placement and the images chosen for your image compare feature, complete the process by clicking on the Save button positioned in the top right corner of the interface. Saving your changes ensures that the new feature is incorporated into your website and that visitors will be able to appreciate the interactive image comparison the next time they visit your site. Following these steps carefully will allow you to quickly and effectively integrate the image compare tool into your WordPress site. Enjoy the enhanced functionality, as your website now offers a dynamic way for users to compare images directly and interactively.